One product Shopify store design. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a one product Shopify store that sells just one amazing niche product. Now why just one product store? Because it lets you focus all of your energy onto a single item, creating a clean conversion focused experience for your customers. Now this one product that we'll be using as an example on today's video is going to be portable blender for on-the-go smoothies. Is a perfect blend, the pun intended, of convenience and health consciousness. Now let's jump right in and build this store from scratch. So first things first, step number 1 is to set up our Shopify account. I believe if you're watching this video, you probably have an account on Shopify, but if you don't, what you're going to do is you're going to open the web browser and head over to shopify.com. Now, once you head over to shopify.com, you're going to sign up for a free trial. Shopify makes it incredibly easy for you to get started. And once you're in, you land on the dashboard. This is the dashboard. This is how it looks like. And from here, we're going to start building our one product store from scratch. Now, before we begin, we're going to head over to step 2, which is choosing the perfect theme for the one product store. We're going to pick the perfect theme for a one product store. So when you're selling only one item, you want the theme to be very minimalist and conversion driven. So there's nothing really distracting your customers from buying that product. All you need is for them to look at the product, be in awe with the pictures and how much innovative that one product is, and for them to just click add to cart and buy it. So for that purpose, we are going to head over to the online store section and we're going to click on themes. This is basically my store. Either you can start by clicking on all the other stores on my store or in the online store. Since I have like multiple different stores being run up together, I'm going to click on all store and we're going to click on create store right here. Normally you can just start off by clicking on online store, but I'm going to start off from scratch. So before they begin, they're going to ask you a few questions. You can choose to skip them or skip all of the questions as well. We're going to create an online store. Then we're going to click on next. Products that you ship and select the country or region that your business is going to be located. And once all of this is set, it's going to take a few seconds and it's going to lead you to the leading in dashboard. Now that our interface is set for us to bring everything into play, this is our interface once again. Heading over to online store, selecting themes from here, and we're just going to pick up the best vector that's possibly available for us. The key here is to make sure that we choose a theme that puts our product front and center. Themes like narrative are also great for storytelling, which is a powerful technique in one product store. That is what you have to keep in mind. So instead of going with the Dawn one, we are gonna either select Spotlight, for example, is amazing for clothing stores, and Refresh for skincare products and brands. We're gonna click on visit the theme store, and we are gonna find the theme that goes by the name of narrative. Now, as you can see, the theme store of Shopify offers so many free and, paid plans for these different themes that they offer. We're going to search up for narrative right now. This isn't there. We're just going to select the free ones then. I believe it used to be there before. And let's just select the free ones and see which one we should go up with for. I like this one, Origin, because in a way that they're only showcasing the bag and nothing else and nothing more. It's just one bag, many ways to use it. Let's just try the theme and stick with this. We're going to be adding Origin theme to our online store themes. And then we're going to head over to the third step, which is of adding the product details that convert. Now, for that purpose, our theme is decided. We're going to work with the theme next on. Let's just wait for the themes to switch up, and then we're going to simply click on customize once we get back here. It's going to take a moment for it to load and apply. Okay, now that this is set, let's head over to adding the products. Head over to product section here, and from here, click on add product. You can also have the option to import your products from some other specific store that you're running. Now let's start with the product title. It's going to be portable blender on the go smoothie. So basically the name speaks for itself, right? Now into the description, what we are going to do is we're going to type in a good, amazing paragraph over here, adding the product, and we're going to start by filling in the key details. This is where all the magic happens, because great product descriptions and visual is all that makes a difference. So let's break it down to that. We're done with the title. Let's start off with the description. Let's say that this powerful portable blender. Actually, you know what, I've written this down somewhere. I'll just copy and paste it, but you get the idea of it, right? Okay, so there you have it. Now that this is done, the description is done. As you can see, I've made sure to include a benefits-driven description. I've highlighted what makes my product unique. For instance, I've said that our blender really emphasizes convenience, power, and portability. And that is what we will sell it as. As you can see, it's a powerful portable blender, lets you make smoothies, protein shakes, or baby food, no matter where you are. With sleek, compact design and USB charging, you can blend in everything from ice to fruits in seconds. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts, business professional, or just about anyone who loves freshness of nutritious fruity drinks. You see, it's straight to the point and it really highlights what we are trying to sell it for. Next up is media. Always make sure to add really eye-catching visuals. Okay, now let's click on upload new. We're gonna be uploading the photographs that we have. You can upload one or add multiple different ones. Let me add in more. Then we're gonna add the other one to show that we still have different variety of colors if someone really wants to get a different variant or not. Now, once all of this is uploaded, you're going to click on done and upload all of these. And then comes the pricing area, right? These are just photographs that I have. You have to also upload up visuals, because great visuals really sell, right? Because of how much visualized the world has become. So you need high quality images like these, which I've uploaded. But apart from that, you could also add a lifestyle shots and product in use videos, because that's not going to hurt anyone. It's just going to show off your portable blender's unique benefits. Now, once that is done, you can also keep in mind that I haven't added any videos, but videos can really increase a conversion rates up to 80%. This is what the statistics say. It's not just me. So a video demonstrating your product's power and portability will instantly capture customers' attention, because you could be like, oh, maybe the photograph is a clickbait or something. But in videos, you see it in motion. So, it really drives more of action that way. Now let's head over to the pricing option. This is going to be 5,000 as we say, at the price of 7,000, let's just say. And then the cost per item that you get for this is 3,000. So you have about 40% of a profit margin. Then you can also select the inventory of the products, and to see if this is a physical product, it weighs about, let's just say, 200 grams. Let's put that in. And you can also add in customs information, variants, the colors they have, black and purple, size. If you want to add in size, have a color variant, let's just stick with that. But black and purple, and category. Now these are amazing feature of Shopify is that it's also going to create a search engine listing. This is the search engine listing. Let's also add a few bullet pointed features of this product. Let's just write down and say it's USB chargeable, it's easy to clean, free of BPA material, free from BPA materials, which are like the toxins you don't want to be consuming your food in. And it has powerful 6-blade motor. These are just few bulleted points that are done to catch the customer's attention. Let's put that in bullets and also put this up right here. Amazing thing is that you can also generate descriptions using the AI over here. You can rephrase it, extend it, or even simplify it if that's what you're going for. However, I think I have used it as simplest as I can. I've kept it at that. Now that this is done, you're going to simply click on save. So we're done with step 4 to 5 of all of these. Next, all these products are going to be integrated into the theme. So we will have to head over to the customization of our homepage for maximum conversion, right? Now these are done. We've added our first product. Now let's head back on to our online store again. And from here, we are going to start working with this one. Now let's click on customization option right here. Now for one product store that you want the homepage to focus entirely on that product. No distractions, no nothing, nada. So I'm going to add a large hero image at the top, compelling a call to action button and a product features section. Let's start off by doing that. Okay, instead of my store, we're going to write the name up as to... Actually, you know what? Let's put this up as our product's name, which was supposed to be smooth blending. Let me get back to it. It's a portable blender for on-the-go smoothie. Let me add that. Portable blender for on-the-go smoothies. Let me just change the heading size into large instead of extra large. This really works with it. Let me now change the product and select the product from your inventory. We've already added the product, so let's just simply select it. Click on select and it's here. That is the portable blender on the go smoothie, and it's already set out. It's either black or no. And now for this one, let me just delete this entire thing. And here are the testimonials. I actually don't really need these testimonials, so let me just delete these as well. But you get the idea. Like, this is our website. All we have is a very big centered photograph, and it's just centered over this product. It has a call to action button like buy it now, or is it sold out? Then you can click on view full details, so on and so forth. If you want, you can add and customize and add in different sections if you want to, but I would rather suggest you don't. Because all you need for one product is buy now, is like we can, like, as the call to action button says, buy it now. You can change that as in like get yours right now. Now that this is done, get over to our final step, which is to launch the store and market it. So there, finally, it's time to launch. So before you go live, let's head back over to our store. Let's go over to my store. And before we exactly tend to launch it up, let me head over to my online store right now. We're gonna go over a few things like double check everything, the product details, images, and even shipping settings. So once everything is perfectly into play, you can choose your Shopify plan and launch your store to the world. But before we wrap that up, let me show you a few quick tips for marketing your one product store. So this is the store. Let's quickly view our store. I think it looks really perfect. We have the big button right here, one product right here, and a quick buy it now. So it's perfect for what we're going for. So the tip I wanted to give you guys is that social media ads are powerful for one product store. So you can run a Facebook or Instagram ad that is going to instantly boost your sales. So you can run it with a short video of the blender action. You can have maybe fitness enthusiasts or busy professionals, or show it in the hands of people who are travelers to, convey the exact message. And don't forget to add and create catchy taglines like blend smoothies anywhere for your ads. So yeah, there you have it, a sleek, professional one product Shopify store selling our portable blender for on-the-go smoothies. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.